she told me that in this market, clothes are selling in a kgs. No
kgs.
matter what.
Yes, I've
Kg,
heard this. I've heard this. Hey, yeah, it's like sold by weight, right?
yeah,
But actually, I'm not very sure I've heard about this, but I feel those are like second-hand clothes which have been dumped by either the people or the showrooms that are defected or something. So those clothes are being sold in
Sudhir,
kgs.
how are
Actually,
you?
I'm fine, madam. Thank you about
fine.
asking. And how about you?
I am good. I'm good. Thank you. So where are you
Okay.
from, Sudhir?
I'm from Jalgaon, Maharashtra.
Oh, you're from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, right? And what number of session is this for you on the platform?
I think 15th.
15th.
Yeah,
Okay, so
15th.
how are your sessions going?
My sessions are going very good.
Very good. Great, great. Okay. So 13, 14 sessions you have taken. So have you taken it with the same speaker or you have tried repeating? Different speakers.
Different speakers.
All 13 were different?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Sometimes
Oh, wonderful.
only one
Yeah.
speaker I took a twice because there is a slot problem. I try to your session from beginning, but your sessions are
Oh
reserved.
God. Okay,
So that's
okay.
why.
Okay, so you were trying for my session, but finally I have got
It,
a chance to take a session of yours. Wonderful. Thank you, Sudhir.
uh,
Okay. So it's very nice that you have tried speaking with so many speakers. That's absolutely wonderful. Um,
okay.
Anything that you are trying to do from your side for your practice of English apart from Clippingo?
Uh, I speak with my son and I speak also in front of the camera. I record myself and I listen after that.
Very nice.
And I upload that video and my YouTube channel. I have small YouTube channel. Okay.
Very nice.
And I don't have confidence to speak out in front of the mirror because it is not give me a feedback. So I don't have any confidence to speak out in front of the
Okay.
so I
Mirror.
speak out in front of the camera and I record it. I heard it after that, and I try to correct myself.
Wonderful. You know, this is the ultimate practice that one can actually put himself or herself through. That is finding their own mistakes and correcting them. It requires major talent to do such a thing as well. Because, it's very easy to point out others' mistakes, but it is very difficult to
Yeah,
point out one's own mistake. Yeah, that's the catch. So I am
yeah.
happy if you are able to do it. So, half of the battle is already done.
Okay.
Just the other half is left. Okay, so don't worry. Never mind.
Yeah.
Am I audible to you because your video
Oh,
is stuck, Sudhir?
your range. I think there is a range problem in your side because there is show in a yellow color tower.
Yours is coming red on my side. Your network is showing red on my side. No,
But
don't worry.
in my side,
Not your problem.
okay,
Not your network problem. It's with Zoom today, I think. Something is wrong
okay,
with Zoom. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, so
okay.
Sudhir, any habit of watching any English movie or web series?
Till two, I didn't watch any movies or any series.
Okay.
Uh, okay, one movie I think I download. It's a dub movie. And I think I forget its name. I think it was a Akshay Kumar and Amitabh Bachchan's movie. I forget it.
It's dubbed in English.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's a unique experience. Great. Okay. But I would give, it's like an opinion from my side. Please try to watch at least one episode of an English web series every day.
Okay. Give me a good web series name, please.
Oh, absolutely. I'm all about web series. Whatever names you need, I can give you an entire list, that you can watch this, you can watch that. Because this has been the source of my learning, so that's why web series and I are like this. So
Okay, okay. I
cannot
think
do anything.
bonding with web series.
Yes, web series and movies have been like a game changer for me, personally speaking. So that's why I put a lot of stress on watching.
Okay, okay. Do you have all the lists available in your
Yes,
site?
please.
Please put it on in a chat box
I
directly
am
because
just
it will.
writing it for you in the chat box.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, first one
Right.
I've written. It's the show called Friends. I am
And
a crazy Friends fan. It has
uh,
excellent vocabulary, so please try watching Friends.
okay, okay. It's a web series. Okay.
Yes, it's a web series, correct.
Available
Available on
on.
Netflix. I'm giving you all the options that are there on Netflix.
Okay, okay, okay.
Is Netflix okay with you?
Yeah, yeah. No
Yes,
problem.
okay. Given you three till now. Friends. Second one is Peaky Blinders. Third one is Sherlock. Any
Sherlock.
particular accent
Okay.
or genre that you prefer?
No,
Everything is okay with you?
I prefer only. Yeah, I prefer only Indian. Means there is a different accent in a series.
Yes. There will be one
Okay.
will be in British, one will be in American.
No problem.
No problem,
No
right?
problem.
Okay. So one, two, three, four, five I have suggested. And last one, this is also a very good one that I like. It's very popular also. So I hope you do get a chance to watch. That's Money Heist.
Money high.
Yes. So
Okay.
these six shows from my side for now. When you are done with these, I would be happy to provide you with more. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am,
Yes,
where
please.
are you from?
Oh, I'm from Delhi. I live in Delhi.
Okay, Delhi. Okay,
Have you
thank
ever
you, thank
been to
you.
Delhi?
No, I haven't been to Delhi.
Never? Okay. It's
No.
okay. Good people should stay away from Delhi anyway, so it's all right. It's a bad place to be in Delhi. So I am happy that you're in Maharashtra. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay,
You
great.
have been Maharashtra?
No, never. I've never been to Maharashtra. But I do. I had this conversation with my friend just the other day. So she was like, yes, I've been to Mumbai, and you wouldn't believe that everything is very expensive over there. Whatever we get here in Delhi, it's like the twice of it. I'm like, what? Yes. So I'm like, I would never like to go to Mumbai or Maharashtra. Sorry. Please tell
High
me if it's
costly.
true. Yeah.
Yes, high costly city.
Oh God, no, thank you. We are okay with Delhi then. So this was the common notion that I found that, oh no, please don't go to Mumbai. Everything is very costly,
Yes,
costlier than Delhi. So,
yes,
oh my
yes.
God, I'm like, let's not go to Maharashtra then. But okay, you guys can come to
Uh,
Delhi because everything is cheaper. So you'll enjoy being in Delhi
yes,
here.
yes. I will come to definitely to Delhi one day
Yes.
because in the previous session I talked with Meghal and she was also in Delhi and she told me that this market clothes are selling in kgs, no
kgs.
matter what. Yes,
Yes, I have heard
kg.
this. I have heard this. Hey, yeah. It's like sold by weight, right?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
actually, I'm not very sure. I've heard about this, but I feel those are like second-hand clothes which have been dumped by either the people or the showrooms that are defected or something. So those clothes are being sold in kgs, actually.
Okay, okay. Oh,
Yeah, so I am clarifying this to you. So if
I
you're
thought it
okay
was
with such types, then
okay.
please, you're most welcome.
Okay. I thought it was a new.
No, cannot be. But yeah, I can
Thank you.
tell you about shops that I will do. I'll tell you about the shops which are selling clothes at cheaper rates, because those places are like Disneylands for us girls. They are like
Okay.
our Mickey Mouse clubhouse because those places are amazing. One is Lajpat Nagar. You
Uh-huh.
get everything at very cheap prices. Lajpat Nagar is like my Disneyland, you know. And second is Sarojini Nagar. Sarojini Nagar is like the cheapest market in Delhi. You will even find things worth 50 rupees, 100 rupees over there. So,
Yes, yes, yes.
Sarojini
Meghal
Nagar.
ma'am, yes. Meghal ma'am also told me that go to
Yeah.
Sarojini market and
Yeah.
never purchase over 200, and because they told you 800, 700, but never purchase more than 200.
200, yes. But
Always like
being very honest, I do draw conclusions about Lajpat Nagar and Sarojini Nagar. The fact stays that Lajpat Nagar would be like 20-50 rupees expensive than Sarojini Nagar, but it will provide you with quality. I have
quality.
been
Yeah.
to Sarojini Nagar only once, and sorry to say, but my experience was not so good because the quality was extremely cheap. So that's why for like 100 rupees, you get something that wouldn't even work for like 2 months. So what is the point? You will anyway have to go and buy something new. So why not take something 100 rupees more expensive and get something that would work for 6 months? So please, Lajpat Nagar, no Sarojini Nagar for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, I think
Okay.
I've given you like a Delhi tour here in 15 minutes.
Definitely one day I will come.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
But anyway, okay. Um, I wanted to ask one thing. On an average in your entire day, how much of a chance do you actually get to speak in English with other people?
With other people is no. There is
Not
no
here.
person whom with I speak English. Only for my son I try to speak with him, and sometimes he also refuses to speak with me because he mostly speaks in my mother tongue at home. So uh, I only speak with me mind conversation or mobile recording, and only uh, listening, watching YouTube videos. Only
Hmm.
that happens
Only
with
these
me.
things.
Yes, only
Okay.
this. And one thing is session, 15-minute session.
These sessions, right. So this is the point that we are not getting a chance to speak in English or have conversations with people in English outside this platform.
Yes.
Yeah, everybody speaks in Marathi.
Yeah.
Right.
Everybody speaks in.
Marathi, right? Because you know that you have an alternative. If you do not talk in English, then Marathi to hai hi. That's the thing, that we will talk in Marathi anyway, right?
Okay.
That is the one thing that we have to eliminate. Okay. Whatever we are watching, whatever we are reading, listening, writing, all of these things should remain in English only.
Only. Yes.
Because the more you listen, the better it will get fed inside our brains
Okay.
and the way it sets into our tongue. So that's why please convert everything around you into English.
Okay.
Okay. But with you, I do feel you have a clear mind. You have clear thoughts. So, when you arrange them into sentences, you don't face too much of difficulty. So that's a plus sign for us.
Thank you.
Okay. Second thing, don't worry about the grammar. It can be polished, but it will only come when we are into speaking more and more.
Okay.
Okay. So please do not make it a reason of worry. You will not worry
Okay.
about it. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions, any doubts from your side, you can ask me.
What is your mother tongue, ma'am?
Hindi. All
Hindi.
my life I have spoken in Hindi only. Yeah.
Hindi or Marathi? You also, I think you have some knowledge about Marathi.
No, not at all. Zero knowledge about Marathi, only Hindi.
You do not speak Marathi. You understand Marathi?
I think so. One or not very good at it, but I think I do. No, I'm not boasting about it, but I do feel that I do understand a little, but I don't speak Marathi, not at all.
But in a schools and colleges, there are three languages. They are compulsory. I think English, Hindi, and Marathi.
Okay, over
So,
there.
think, hey, you are English teacher, so English is good. Hindi also is a mother tongue, but Marathi is also subject in our school.
No, in our
Now,
school, there is no Marathi. In Delhi, you hardly get such things. We have foreign languages. That's the problem.
okay,
Yeah,
okay. My son is in a second standard, and he speak Marathi, but he also speak in Hindi.
in
I
Hindi,
didn't taught him. Yeah, I didn't taught.
teach.
I did not teach him Hindi,
Hmm.
but he speaks
He speaks in Hindi.
because
Oh, wow,
surround-
that's so nice.
he, because surrounding.
Yes,
So
surrounding, of course. Hmm.
there is no surrounding Marathi surrounding.
In
All are
Yes,
in.
in Delhi, the languages that we have in schools, it's Hindi, English mandatory, and the third
Okay.
one is either Sanskrit or French or Spanish and Chinese. So these were the languages that we were given as options. No Indian languages. There is French, there is Spanish, there is Chinese. They couldn't have taught us Marathi or Bengali. No. French,
Oh.
Chinese, Spanish. This is the
How many
problem with Delhi.
languages? How
Apart
many
from
languages?
Hindi and English, I know French and I know German. So 4 languages.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Have you
Although
been?
it's not very fluent, but it's there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you been to abroad?